Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is my cat, Edward Needlehands. Hey, can you look in the camera? He can't, he's blind. He's very blind and he's anxious whenever I hold him up like this, so I'm going to return him to my lap for him to bite the crap, for him to scratch the crap out of me. He always has his claws out because he is very nervous. He's the nervous sort, so he is, he's anxious, which is sad, you know? Like, you don't want him to be anxious, but at the same time, he kind of causes havoc with his stuff. Anyway, total detour. Thank you guys for being here. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to see you back. You can even like subscribe and then like, you know, like turn off the alerts so I'm just like on your wall, like you don't get it like a ding every time I post, because I've been trying to post more. Like, I don't know, sometimes I'll just get like inspiration and I'll make like 3 videos a week, and then other times it's like I'll skip a week, so know what you're getting into. But today I just wanted to share something that I am not 100% sure if I came up with. I don't know if I came up with it. I don't know if I saw it on Pinterest at some point or something, but it is something that I've done for a long time now. Just whenever I have a friend who's like really going through it, or if there's, I don't know, like sometimes I just get a hunch that like somebody probably needs this in their life, and so I want to share with you what I do. So this is called a bad day box, and I just get these little like note card boxes from either a craft store. I just got this one from the Dollar Tree, so it was like $1.25 because the Dollar Tree like thinks that we all have money that we don't. Anyway, so you just get a cute box and then get some kind of envelope. You can just like wrap each thing individually in like tissue paper or something, but I really enjoy getting cute envelopes. And so I actually just got these from Walmart. I haven't used them yet, but I'm super excited. They're these little like gift card envelopes, and they're all different colors, which is so fun. And you can just put little things in every single envelope. I try to make them all different. Sometimes I'll get like 2 or 3 Starbucks gift cards that are just like $5 a piece or something, so it's like it can pay for most of your drink, or you know, maybe like a drink and a half if you really like the cheap stuff or something. And you just put little things in them. Like I will put jewelry or stickers or gift cards, just something really tiny, and I usually try to fill it up pretty good. Like I usually try to put at least 2 weeks worth. And then I just put something on the top that's like, this is a bad day box. You're welcome to take more than one thing if you want, but here you go. And if you know the person really well, you can get like super creative with this stuff. You can like write out a short story, you know, or like a memory you have of that person, or like 10 reasons why that person is great. You can also go through like magazines and get, so I absolutely love scents. That's like a weird thing about me, but I have a portion of my budget that is allotted to fragrances, where I'm either buying scents that I know I love or trying new scents through like a subscription like Scentbird or Scentbox. I think I have cat hair on my face. It itches. So if you like have a magazine and it has like those scent strips or whatever, I've like cut those out before and then put them in an envelope. Honestly, I think I only did that one for my sister. I don't know if I would do that for like anyone else unless like I knew them really well, because I don't want somebody to be like, oh, why did you give me this trash? Thank you for this. But you just fill it up, like you fill it up, and then you have to snail mail that to them. That's like one of the rules, because not only are they getting a surprise in the mail, but they're also getting the gift that just keeps on giving, basically. You can put face masks, foot masks, those little manicure sets that you can get at like TJ Maxx or something, where it's like the stick-on nails. I'm realizing this is like specifically for women, and I'm just like assuming that women are gonna do this. But if you want to do this for your boyfriend or your partner or even like a brother or something like that, I'm gonna need to come up with some male things that you can do. Definitely gift cards. Like I don't want you like set a budget for yourself, because I have definitely spent like more than $100 on one of these things before, and I don't recommend it because then I couldn't send one for a while, and so like yeah. But something that is like a new thing I'm discovering, and I don't know if it's an old thing that everybody knew about except for me, but something I'm discovering is stickers. Like, stickers are a really big thing right now. Like, everybody has them on their water bottles or on their laptops and stuff like that. And so you can order like a shit ton of stickers for like $1, and it's like 100 stickers for $1. And they're like all individually, oh man, I'm dropping these. They're all like individually backed, I guess, so you don't have to like buy the sheet and then like cut them out individually. Like, you can just put these up, and they're fun. That's cake. Look, that's cake. It's Mother's Day. It's Mother's Day. I need to buy myself some cake. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I'm so happy you exist, and I'm sure your kids are very happy to be alive, and if they're not, I'm very sorry. Depression is a real thing. But yeah, you can buy stickers, and you can put like individual thing, you know, like maybe 5 stickers in each envelope or something like that. And seeds is another thing you can do. People love seeds. People love planting things. At least I do, and a lot of my girlfriends do. So, you know, that's also a possibility. Man, I really need to come up with like some male ideas because I am dry. Memes. Guys love memes. Like, you can print off like 10 of the memes that you think are really funny and go with that. You can also, I feel like food's a big one too, and depending on the size of the envelopes, you can fit like, you know, this isn't very big, it's not gonna fit a whole lot, but if you get like a bigger envelope, you can put like candy bars or like gum, you know, like their favorite gum or something like that in there. And then if, my thing is like, if this box is full, I did my job, because it gives them a lot of choices, a lot of different things that they can choose from, and it's just so fun. Also, another fun thing to do is like do it with a friend. So if you and your friend are like, you know, really trying to, or your partner, you can even do it with your partner, like are really trying to just have fewer bad days, you know, just like that you're just really trying to take care of yourself and practice self-love and like all this stuff. If I were to fill 20 envelopes, I know what's in them. Like, you know, I know what I put in them. I might not remember all of them, but it's like, it takes away that element of surprise. So if you and your friend get together and you're just like, okay, we're gonna cap this at $25 or $30, and we're gonna do like at least 10 envelopes each, and then you can give them to each other, and then it's like you're doing one for somebody else, but you're also getting one, which is just super fun. So that is the Bad Day box. I think it is a great way of like celebrating somebody and just bringing them a bunch of different smiles, which is just so great. And it also makes you a good friend. Like, you know, you get good friend points. So yeah, if you guys wanted this idea, it's a really fun one. I am headed into my own personal like depression season. I think we all have one. A lot of them like follow the seasons, which is just so convenient because like everybody's down in the mouth in like December, January, February, and I'm like ready to rock the world, and I'm like so happy during those months. And then it's like summer hits and everybody's like so happy, and I'm like so that's kind of why I'm like revving up my own self-care here and just being like, okay, what are the tactics that I can use to make sure that I am like keeping myself grounded and happy during these next few months? Because I know myself, and that's usually what it turns into. So thank you guys so much for watching. But one of the things that I do, all that to say, one of the things that I love to do is to do something nice for somebody else, because that just fills me with a whole bunch of joy. And it is one of those things that's like scientifically proven, so I'm not just like, oh, I'm a nice person, so I enjoy doing that. No, we as human beings, if we do something nice for somebody else, if we help them in any way, it fills us up and we get a whole lot of joy out of it. So make sure you're doing things for other people, because honestly, both people benefit. You probably benefit more, because it just reinforces so many things that you really need reinforced about yourself. Like, you are a good person, you are generous, you are kind, you are thoughtful, all those things that we know is true, but now you're actually putting them into action, proving them to yourself. So thank you guys so much for watching, and take care.